understand that whenever you do a search in Instagram, when you have the For You page, Instagram's showing you the best. It's saying, okay, these posts have the keywords and these are the best. So in your mind, when you look at the For You page, I want you to think, okay, these could be the people that could be industry leaders that I could follow. Then when you go to accounts, it's just going to pull up the most relevant. These could be small accounts, they could be big accounts. It doesn't mean they're doing well. It doesn't even mean that they're active. They could be just there from 6 years ago and they may not be posting anymore. But they're showing the most relevant. So here is the most relevant. So here's the most popular, which may not be the most relevant. Accounts is going to be the most relevant. Reels is, of course, reels, the reels that are talking about the keywords that you've typed in. Audio is going to be any audio, which there is none. Tags is going to be your hashtags, and places would be location tags that people put on. But for you, I would look here. I would look here in these two areas, the For You and the accounts. I would kind of check out, she's obviously disabled. Now, this may be a disability account. It could have nothing to do with Disney. So I would just look at it and see, what they had to say. So one of those 3-day, the look of someone who just started a 3-day Disney vacation. What's your favorite Disney resort? I may look at her and just see, what is she doing? She does travel, DIY, Disney, beauty. She might be a good one to check out. And she's disabled. So she's definitely going to give you her point of view of what she struggles with, which may be perfect for what you need. So that's what I would do when I'm searching for people on Instagram. And like you said, it is a rabbit hole because from there you can say, okay, who is she following? And kind of scroll through here to see. It looks like mostly personal people. This is one of the first places I look when I'm going down the rabbit hole of research. One of the first places I look is who they're following because I want to see if they follow a bunch of people in their niche. And if they do, then it makes my life so much easier to go through and follow those people too, or to look at their accounts.